Update on the rusty John Deere. I just took off the two back tires, the two back wheels. I thought it was going to be tough because of all the rust on the floorboard, but these slid right off. And good news is they've already got the holes in them so I can make duals on the other John Deere. And now there's two junk tires that can go. Here's two nice John Deere wheels with holes. I now have these two tires mounted on the John Deere wheels. I need to clean up the two adapters and I need to paint these two wheels yellow. Then we can stick them on the Deere. So I've got these tires on wheels ready to go on. I've painted the golf cart wheels. I got to air those up. We got to get John Deere in here. Here's John Deere. And we're taking the Dirt Devils off. We'll save those for some other project. I've got the tractor tires off back of Poland, and I've got the Dirt Devils now coming off of John Deere. And somebody's probably already thinking it before you can even comment it. Duals on the Silver Bullet. That could be an option. Paint the wheel red, bolt them on there. Well, I'd have to drill holes, but that could be an option. Just curious on the Silver Bullet, see if it already has the holes. And it does. So we could drill 4 holes. I'd have to make 2 more adapters. Something to think about. A little before and after. And I've got the other 3 waiting to go on. Good news, the second tire is now on. When we look at this one, you can see where it was rubbing just a little tiny bit on here. Lots of clearance. A whole finger's width clearance. So it shouldn't ever rub. And both back tires are on. Up next, all thread and the other 2 tires. Supposed to be the same size. These are more directional. I like this tread better, but these are, they're okay. So I just ripped off the Dirt Devils. I love the directional tread of the Dirt Devils. We can save those up for a Silver Bullet Part 2. Anyway, these are now off. I've got the 2 inside ones, they're on. I need to clean up the adapters. I've got my all thread collection. Up on the back here, there are 4 lock nuts. I guess I gotta get 4 more lock nuts. And we get this baby put together and go test it out. I wanna see how it does in the sand. The dual wheels are now on the John Deere. Dually Deere is back in life again. I think it's time to fire it up. Now we got to see if it's going to fit on the trailer. It's going to be close. And so to answer the question, does it fit? Well, there's about 1 inch on this side, 1 inch in the front, 1/2 inch in the back. And on this side, about the same. So yeah, it fits snugly. Tow rig. So John is on the trailer. John has duals. We're about to go to the river and try it out, but it needs something before we go. Hang on just a second. Shout out to that Volvo guy. He gave me some Chud 327 stickers. He asked me what color I wanted. I should have said John Deere yellow, but white will do fine. Just made it through the quicksand, and now I'm up in the powder. Maybe stuck. And we still got to make it up that hill. At least we're in the shade now. That's a good sign. And if you need a closer look at how they were put together, on the golf cart wheel, the lug holes were bigger, so I put a lug nut behind the lock nut. On the other side, there's my spacer, and on this side, a washer and a lock nut. Same thing on the other side. So I'll leave a link how I originally made these spacers, but if I go back in the deep dark corners of this garage, here's an old trailer wheel. I'll never use it again as a trailer wheel, but if I cut off this lip and nothing that goes into the mower wheel, that's another dually adapter right there. So if you want to do this project, you'll need 16, turn on the notifications, or you could do 8, hit the like button, and don't forget to share, comment, and if you're not subscribed, you could do 4, don't forget to subscribe.